and gentlemen, please stand for the entrance of the Philippine flag.
Mga kababayan, ang watawat ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
Mga kaibigan, nasasaliw po ng San Miguel Philharmonic Orchestra. Ayan po dinadala ngayon ng mga Boy Scouts of the Philippines from Siena College. At
with them are 100 members of the Boy Scouts and 50 members of the Girl Scouts of the Philippines.
They are also accompanied by our Filipino sports ambassadors and our favorite boxing hero.
1985 SEA Games gold medalist and four-time Asian Games participant, hardcore hero Alan Kaidik. With him is two-time Asian Games gold medalist and 9 gold SEA Games winner.
Ang matagal na record holder sa 100-meter category at kategorya the fastest woman in Asia, Ginang Lydia de Vega Mercado.
Next, we have two-time Southeast Asian Games gold medalist and silver medalist in the Atlanta Olympics in boxing, Mansueto Onyok Velasco.
Kasama rin ang ating champion swimmer.
Three-time participant in the Olympics and 7 gold winner in the Southeast Asian Games, Akiko Thompson.
At dito naman ang veterano ng Southeast Asian Games.
He started in 1977 at only 13 years of age and has been participating since then. Sharpshooter Nathaniel Tac Padilla.
At dito naman ang ating Taekwondo champion.
Two-time gold medalist in the Southeast Asian Games and quarter-finalist in the 1988 Seoul Olympics, Taekwondo master Monsieur Del Rosario.
Sunod ay ang ating itinanghal na Athlete of the Year.
Gold medalist in individual gold zone jumping in the 2002 Asian Games, equestrian Mikey Kowanko Jaworski.
Kasama rin ang ating bowling champion.
Six-time world bowling champion, Guinness Book of World Records holder, and Philippine Sports Association Athlete of the Century, Rafael Paeng Nepomuceno.
At dito na ang ating paboritong champion boxer ng Pilipinas.
The reigning World Boxing Council International Super Featherweight Champion and the current People's Featherweight Champion, Manny the Pacman Pacquiao.
Ang watawat ng Pilipinas ay inihahanda ng mga kadete ng Philippine National Police Academy.
Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem, rendered for us today by the San Miguel Philharmonic Orchestra and the San Miguel Master Chorale under the baton of Maestro Ryan Cayabyab.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
But a mammoth crowd there at the Carino Grandstand for the opening ceremonies, and a very touching parade there, or march by the different sports ambassadors from the different sports, Patricia.
Yes, these different sports ambassadors have made the country proud in their glory days, and they continue to make the country proud by having all Filipinos all over the country be engaged and participate in the 23rd Southeast Asian Games.
We now have several scouts, both Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts, entering the parade area, and this will start the call, the Tambuli call for the
Magigiting, malalakas at magigilas, sila ang mga atleta ng Timog Silangang Asya.
Now it is time to celebrate via a most special ceremony in honor of the Southeast Asian athletes.